I wanted to make a quick video about a thing that's just come back into my life, really, because of this $79 thing. Look at my hockey stick spool holder. Be amazed at the technology. I was quoted a lot of money to scan this sculpture, one of Sarah's sculptures. It's called Afro Chick. The reason it's got little white dots on that's just a wax, was because I lightly sprayed it to aid the photogrammetry, and that's the bronze that it becomes. But Sarah wanted a 30 centimeter version. So I wanted to get a commercial company to scan this and scale it. And it cost, what they were going to charge me to scan it was more than this EasythreeD K1 costs. So I scanned it, scaled it, chopped it up in 10 by 10 centimeter blocks. And yeah, she's been left out in the sun. But that's where we got to. And we actually skinned that one and then took a mold. And there's a big bronze of that one kicking about. If you're in the Hawick area, you can purchase it there. But of course, I wanted a little 3D printer. Of course I did, for my own nerdy interests. And here come my nerdy interests. It's allowed me to rapid prototype stuff and just muck about, really, as I always do. I always have. And by saying I always have, and I always knock stuff off shelves. And this is what we got. You don't want to know what I've just knocked off over there. And it's going to be I'm playing with the idea of an auto gyro. But what I'm trying to say is they always have. Quite weirdly, I put on music that I would have listened to 40 years ago when I was mucking about making model aeroplanes. And it just struck me as I did it. Music that was once on a bootleg tape is now just happening off the computer. But it took me back 40 years into exactly the same space that I would have been in. Now, there's going to come in for ridicule for this, aren't they? But I just thought that was quite a thing, the bringing back the maker and me, back to a time when this sort of time, when keelcraft really were a thing. This is from a shop in Ilminster, the town I grew up, where old Mr. Bob Hurlstone, when he closed up shop, he let us local lads and lasses go upstairs into the storeroom and have whatever we wanted. So I've still got boxed new Jetex kits and Jetex motors, and I've kept this thing as a memento along with a couple of the Jetex kits. But you can imagine we had a summer of build and crash with that. And this $79 printer has took me back to that space and the music. Oh, what a duffer I am. Anyway, comments below. Be they very abusive? I'm sure they will. See you every Tuesday, 21 GMT. Bye-bye.